guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fill up your mood bar on Bloxburg. So for fun you can watch TVs, so you have to click on it and select watch. I'll just like sit or something and you'll see the fun percentage go up. You can also play the computer. And then the fun will go up. To boost your energy, you're just going to either sleep or take a bath, and your energy will go up as well here. I'll just make the bed real quick. And then for hunger, you're just going to eat. You do have to cook, or else you can just take the quick meal option, or you can use the phone to order pizza. So view content, I'm just going to select, let's say hamburger, and I like to just place it on the table and eat it all because that's faster than just eating it one by one. And that's how you can fill up your mood bar on Bloxburg. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!